enthusiasts. Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, where we turn your vision of a beautiful home into reality. Today, we're diving into the joy of minimalist living with tiny cabin house design and learn how to maximize space, embrace sustainability, and create a cozy, stylish home. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Are you dreaming of a simpler life, free from the clutter and stress of modern living? A tiny cabin house might be the perfect solution. In this video, we'll explore the concept of tiny house living and provide tips on how to design and build your own cozy cabin retreat. Tiny cabin house design is a minimalist approach to home building, focusing on creating small, efficient, and affordable homes. These houses typically range from 100 to 400 square feet and prioritize functionality over size. There are many reasons why people choose to live in tiny houses. 1. Affordability. Tiny houses are significantly more affordable to build and maintain than traditional homes. 2. Sustainability. They have a smaller environmental footprint, reducing energy consumption and waste. 3. Simplicity. A minimalist lifestyle can lead to increased happiness and reduced stress. 4. Freedom. Tiny houses allow you to live a more nomadic lifestyle and travel frequently. Here are some tips for designing your own tiny cabin house. First, define your needs. Consider your lifestyle and determine what essential features you need in your tiny home. Second, create a floor plan. Design a functional floor plan that maximizes space and storage. Third, choose sustainable materials. Opt for eco-friendly materials like reclaimed wood, bamboo, or recycled steel. Fourth, incorporate clever storage solutions. Utilize every inch of space with built-in storage, underbed storage, and vertical storage. Fifth, prioritize natural light. Use large windows to maximize natural light and create a bright and airy interior. Sixth, embrace a minimalist aesthetic. Keep your decor simple and clutter-free. Seventh, consider off-grid living. Explore off-grid options like solar power and rainwater harvesting to reduce your reliance on utilities. A tiny cabin house can be a beautiful and practical solution for those seeking a simpler, more sustainable lifestyle. By carefully planning and designing your space, you can create a cozy and comfortable home that meets all your needs. Ready to embark on your tiny house journey? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Homes Inspiration Studios, for more inspiring home design ideas. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best tiny cabin house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.